This is the Nature's Way Cough Relief and Immune Gummy, and I gave this to my kids a few months ago when they were feeling under the weather, and they really liked it. They're actually pretty tasty gummies, and they have some pretty good things in them. So I'll go ahead and read some of the ingredients. So you have vitamin C, zinc, and sodium, and then they also explain over here kind of what those things do for your kids. It's recommended for ages kids 2 and up, and like I said, I really like these, and when my kids are feeling under the weather, I gave this to them, and they really did enjoy it. So if you're looking for something like that, for the winter months when it's cold, things like that, these are great gummies and I would recommend them.